Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use iMovie, which is an editing software that comes on iMacs. So the first thing we're going to do is say create new, and you can choose either movie or trailer. Movie is just a blank template. Trailer will have fun templates that you can use to create a video, but today we're just going to choose the movie function. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is add a video. So down here is our working space, and up here is where all your media and everything else will be. And so to select a video, you click on it and click this little plus button, and it'll come right down to your workspace. And over here is this bar that you can either condense your video or make it longer, depending on how you want to work. You'll want it at the far right, if you want to do some very precise editing, but if you're just doing some simple editing, it can go more to the left. So we're just going to put it right there. So the first thing we're going to do is take out the audio from this clip. So you're going to select your video, and then up here has different functions. So you're going to click the volume one, and over here, mute audio. So then the audio is no longer there. The next thing that you're going to want to do is how to speed up a video. So if you go to the little timer thing here, you have this bar here that you can choose either slow, fast, freeze frame, or custom. So we're just going to choose fast. And then it gives you some options on how fast you want it. So we'll choose just 2 times because it's not a very long video. So that's there. The next thing, you're going to want to put it backwards. So to go backwards, you go up to your table up here and you choose modify. And so you can do these, the functions that were over here, over, down, under modify if you want to. So we have the fast forward, instant replay. So we want to choose rewind. So we're just going to choose 1 time. So when you choose rewind, it'll play once forwards, once backwards, and then forwards again. And so I don't know how to make it just play backwards, but I'm just going to show you how I fix this little problem here. So we are going to, so this section right here is where it will play forward, so we don't want that. So what you're going to do is click where this video icon is, have your line thing there, then you're going to right click and choose split clip. And then you just delete that first clip there. So this is our backwards. And then we're going to delete this one here. Same thing that we did, right click and split clip, and then just delete that, and this is our backwards. As you could see, the people were walking backwards, so that's how you know it was backwards. And that's about it. So that's just a few functions that you can use using iMovie. Thanks for watching.